All right, my dears. Today, Miss Williams is going to show you in this quick little YouTube clip how to create a Google slide presentation through Google Slides. So what you do is go straight, when you open up your browser, go up and go to www.google.com, and this should pop up. Then you're going to go to the top right-hand corner as usual and click on the little 9 boxes in the top right-hand corner. From there, you're going to go to slides, right here, the yellow part. Not docs, but slides. So you're going to go ahead, click on slides. Once you click on slides, it's going to open up, and it's going to look similar to Google Docs. As you see, Miss Williams has a lot of Google Slides that she's created. But you're going to click on, for a new one, the plus sign. Very simple. We've done this before, just in a different application. So now you've opened up your new Google slide, but before you do anything, you need to make sure that you title your presentation, because when you go back, you need to know, oh wait, this was the presentation for My Cultural Wealth Project with Miss Williams. So we're going to title it again, My Cultural Wealth Project. You don't need to put your name in the title. That's for you so that you know exactly what this particular slide presentation is. So from there, you can do a couple of things. You can keep it blank. All the slides will basically come out blank. Or you can go over here where it says themes, and you can choose a theme, which means that you have like different colors or different backgrounds for your actual presentation. There's a few to choose from. Miss Williams' favorite color is blue, and I don't like a whole lot of like colors, so I'm going to click on this one right here. And I like the font on this one. So this is going to be my title page, because remember, if we go back to our actual PowerPoint presentation, the instructions, it says that you need a title slide. That's part A, a title slide, okay? And so with that said, very simple how to do that. It already opens up for you when you open up the new doc, so then you just go ahead and you make the title, My Cultural Wealth Project. At the bottom where it says click to add subtitle, this is where you actually put your name. So I'm going to put my name, Miss Williams, and put my whole name, Tranisha Williams. And then you put the period. You don't necessarily need to put the date. It's fine. If you want to put the date, you can also do that, because you'll be presenting this at different times. But it is somewhat due tomorrow. So I'm going to put periods 1 through 6, because I am in periods 1 through 6. You guys are in 1 period, so you should not have periods 1 through 6 on your title. All right, so then from there, very quickly, we're almost done with this part. All you're going to do to add a slide, so this is your first slide. Now you have to create your second, third, fourth, fifth, so your second through 11th slide. That's questions 1 through 10 are all your next slides. So you have one slide for question 1, one slide for question number 2, one slide for question number 3, and so forth. So how you do that is you go up here at the top left-hand corner where the plus sign is, and you can just press plus, and it'll open up a new slide. It's going to look completely different from the title page, because the title page always is pretty like not snazzy. It catches your eye, right? But everything on the inside will be a little bit different. You can change the slide, what it looks like, the format of the slide. So instead of just pressing the plus sign, you can press this little arrow sign right next to it, and it gives you different versions of what that slide could look like when you click it. Don't do a new title slide, because it's going to be difficult for you to put your information for all your questions, your answers for all your questions there. So I would choose any of these slides. If you want to, you could maybe do this one. That's another one that you could do if you like a lot of color. And so on each of the slides, whether you choose this one or this one, it always says click to add title. So make sure you have your title for each of your questions. So for Ms. Williams, my first question, or everybody's first question, dealt with who I am or where I'm from, right? And why that was important. So I'm just going to title that one, Where I Am From. Now you can title it whatever you want to title it, as long as it relates to the question. Okay. All right. And then from there, it says add text, right? So here you can add basically your information from your actual answers. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy and paste and put your answers inside of from your Google Docs inside into an actual slide presentation or just to copy anything. All right. This is the end of today's presentation on how to create a Google slide doc. I hope this helped out a whole lot for a lot of you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.